Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. It's a 43mm. Let's open the box. Cut it here. Cut it here. Alright, inside the box we have a user manual and some small box. What is inside? You can see charging cable, charging system, USB Type-C. As you can see, as usual, the other Galaxy devices, and top level is empty. And put in the box back. And the watch here. I want to show you closely. As you can see, this is LTE version, and the band is the plastic. This looks like nice. It has a turn bezel, like to model old. Let's power up. I hope it has a charge. Yeah. And this one is empty, nothing here. Put on my wrist. I want to see how it looks like, and it looks cool. Fit perfectly. It's not big, it's not too small. Oh yes. Okay, it's power up. It's ready to synchronize with your Samsung Galaxy Watch app. That's all. We have a box. We have a cord. Nothing else. All is in this box. Thank you for watching. See you next time.